Thank you for joining us at 2cutebeats.com. Today we're going to create the Love is in the Air earring kit. So I have one that's already done, and I'm going to show you how we did this. Your kit's going to contain a piece of sterling silver chain that you're going to need to cut in half. Now what I do is I use the head pin provided. And I run the ends of my chain through here to make sure that I have them even. I have 2 chains that are even now. So the first thing you're going to do is take your 1-inch head pin and you're going to put your silver bead on it. You're going to start to wrap. Plier towards you, pin away from you, up and underneath. Do not wrap. Add your chain. Once your chain is on, then we complete the wrapping process. Nice and tight. Nip off your excess wire. So you have your chain and your little 2mm stopper bead. Holding your heart bead upside down, pointed side down, you take your chain through. Now on your first bead, we're going to hold it here at the end. And again, with our round nose, we're going to just kind of push it together a little bit. And we're going to pull, and it should pop up in place for you. And that's going to be our stopper bead. We're going to add our red. Same way. Now we have the red bead. We add another clear bead. Everything's on. I didn't quite push my stopper bead in all the way. There we go. Now it's down there where it belongs, inside. Let's load our chain onto our ball end. And we're all set. Thank you for joining us today at 2cutebeats.com.